Maginoo ning gabi goes to Maginoo number... Maginoo number 3. Number 3. Mutya ning gabi goes to candidate number... Mutya number 7.
Maginoo number 3, and then mutya ng gabi is mutya number 7. Give them a round of applause, guys.
Very much to you.
Thank you so much.
Maginoo personality goes to candidate number... Maginoo number 5. Personality. Our mutya personality goes to candidate number 6.
Alright, so Maginoo personality is Maginoo number 5, and then mutya personality is mutya number 6. Give them a round of applause, guys.
Maginoo number 4. Our mutya popularity goes to mutya number 5. Number 5. Our mutya popularity.
Maginoo popularity is Maginoo
Costume. And also the best in headdress. Siguro nagtaka yung ating mga judges kanina, bakit white lahat yung kami sa kanilang mga headdress. And considering na best in costume na po, totally. Okay? In this category, we have... In this category, we have 4 winners. The 4th runner-up, the 3rd runner-up, the 2nd, the best in headdress, and the best in costume. Okay. Ayan, signed by our tabulator, Mr. Lijan Alfonso. Palakpakan po natin si Sir Lijan. Napakabilis ng ating tabulation. Maraming salamat, Sir Lijan. Okay. Maginoo. Maginoo ning San Vicente Best in Costume 2018 second runner-up goes to Maginoo number 1. Best in costume. Second runner-up for the mutya is mutya number 8. The Maginoo Best in Costume first runner-up. Our Best in Costume first runner-up for the Maginoo is Maginoo number 5. mutya, best in costume. First runner-up goes to mutya number 3. Our second and first runner-up, best in costume. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You may go back to your places now. Okay. Yan. So ganito po ang nangyari, guys. Yung pangalawa po sa ranking, sila po ang ating best in headdress. And then syempre po, yung nanguna po sa score, sila po ang ating best in costume. Okay. Best in headdress for the Maginoo goes to Maginoo number 6. And best in headdress, that is Halamanan Festival. Our best in headdress goes to mutya number 4. Our best headdress, kung hindi mo ka nagkakamali, Sinukwan Festival. Yan ang isa po sa pinagmamalaki ng Pampanga. Okay. Are you ready for the best in costume, guys? Okay. Maginoo ning San Vicente 2018, best in costume goes to Maginoo number 4. Guys, are you ready? Mutya ning San Vicente 2018, best in costume goes to mutya number 6. Sige, dito mo.